وعليكم السلام.
How many are you?
We are three.
Would you like to sit inside or outside?
Inside, please.
Follow me.
امشي امشي.
Would you like to order?
Yes, please.
This is the Take it, please.
Thank you.
What would you like to eat for starter?
Salad, please.
This is the salad.
Thank you.
What would you like to eat for the main dish? I would like pizza, please.
And you.
Pasta, please.
This is the pasta.
Thank you.
And this is the pizza.
Thanks.
What would you like to drink?
We want two colas.
This is for you and this is for me.
Thanks.
Thank you. You're welcome. Did you finish?
Yes, we did.
Thanks. Thank you.
You're welcome. This is your chocolate cake.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is for you from the restaurant.
Thanks.
Finish?
Yes, we did.
Cash or direct?
Cash, please. Take it.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
It was very good. And bye bye.